The E43 error code on a Siemens washing machine indicates a problem with the washer's motor. This issue can be caused by several factors, including loose wiring, worn carbon brushes, or a defective motor. To fix the problem, start by checking the wiring. Unplug the washer, remove the rear panel, and locate the motor to tighten any loose wires and replace damaged ones. If the issue persists, consider replacing the carbon brushes, which are located on both sides of the motor. To do this, unplug the washer, remove the rear panel, and take out the drive belt and wire harness to access the motor. Remove the mounting screws, gently take out the motor, and replace the carbon brushes. Refit the motor, drive belt, and rear panel. Then plug in the washer to check if the problem is resolved. If the error code still appears, it may be necessary to replace the motor entirely. This involves unplugging the washer, removing the rear panel, and disconnecting the drive belt and wire harness to remove the old motor. Install a new motor, refit the drive belt and wire harness, and reattach the rear panel before plugging the washer back in.